If you clicked on this video, you love sushi, but you're reduced to eating stuff like this. Not anymore! I'm gonna teach you how to make your own. First thing we're gonna do, flavor chasers, is the rice. The cooking of the rice. This is arborio risotto rice. Curveball, all-purpose seasoning, boiling water. Bang that on there. You wanna keep the starch in there. This is not sticky sushi rice. This is risotto rice. But you know what? It's gonna bang, trust me, brethren. As soon as that comes to the boil, check it for seasoning. Just keep stirring it. Add water as and when needed. You just want it tender, soft, and starchy. Moldable. Yeah? See when it's like that? See it? As soon as it's like that, you want to get a big tray. We're going to cool this down as quickly as possible. Onto a tray, spread it out nice and thin. Get it in the fridge or in your garage or out back with netting on it. Doesn't matter. Next, we're making the dip, blood. Chili, ginger, spring onion, coriander, garlic. We're coming soy sauce. Now, a little bit of ginger. Just chop it fine like so. Take any nastiness away and boof. See it there? Chopped up into the bowl. This is a good way to make your sushi dip. Boom, see it there? Man's got the levels. Yeah, ginger, chili, garlic in there. Next thing, we're gonna heat up some oil. Sunflower oil, vegetable oil, doesn't matter. Get it nice and hot. This is the traditional way. Make sure that's mixed together. And then you come behind that with your hot oil. See it? Boof! Yes. Sizzle, sizzle, baby. What that does, it just takes the rawness away from your ginger, chili, and garlic. It doesn't have that potency. It just has the lovely flavour. Next, we come behind that with the soy sauce. Dark soy, couple teaspoons. Spring onion, slicer. Zoom in, baby. Slice that, bang that in there. Nice and warm, aromatic. Chop your coriander or cilantro. If you're in America, hold tight all the Americans. Toasted sesame seeds and lime juice. We're going Asian and honey behind that. See the play? Sweet, salty, sour. You see it there? You see the spice? Yeah, man. Sweet, salt, spicy, sour. Lovely jubbly. Give that a mix. See it there? See the dip? Oh, lovely. Next thing, we're gonna make the fillings. Yes! Now, this is a vegetarian sushi, so we're coming with the spicy cabbage. Zoom in, baby. Slice that nice and fine, then we're gonna switch it round and dice it nice and fine. See it there? Oh, yeah. Into the pan. Next thing we're gonna draw for is the shallot. Slice that nice and fine. I ain't gotta show you how to do that. Garlic salt in there. Oh, yeah, baby. Chili and garlic oil just to lubricate the something. High heat. Give that a little mix with your flavor chaser spoon. Flavor chasers rule. Little bit of water in there, straight out the kettle. See that colour? Now you want to simmer this for a good 10 minutes. See it? That's after about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. The liquid's gone, the cabbage is soft. We're smashing it into a bowl, flat again, cool it down. Next thing, we're gonna do some crunchy carrot, coriander, cucumber, sweet chili mix. You just want to peel your carrots, use a peeler if you want. Spuddy Buddy has left us. He's dead. You want to make some julienne? Oh, try not to cry, Spuddy Buddy. He's gone. He's dead. Oh my God. Now, once that's all chopped up, yeah, boy. See it there? Do the same thing with the cucumber. Just bang them carrots in there, get them out of the way. And then you do the same thing with the cucumber. You're not going to use the seeds in the middle. You're going to just use the bits, eat the rest. You know, eat the seeds, dash the seeds. Do what you got to do with the seeds. You see it? Pepper. Next thing. I'm just going to slice that, remove that white bit, and then just slice again. 1/2 centimetre thickness. Lovely jubbly. Bang that in there. Coriander. Just quick little rough chop. Rough chop on your flavor chaser chopping board. Coming to a website near you. Next thing, sweet chili sauce bought in, no messing. Bang that on there. Just a little marinade, little flavour. You know these sushis, they're long. They're rubbish. They got no flavour. They got no shine. They got no... Oh yeah, and there's some avocado. I'm not going to show you how to chop an avocado, people. There is actually a video on my channel. I'll link it in the description below. And wait down, you dirty pig! And now we've got all our ingredients ready. Crunchy filling, avocado, cream cheese. You got your dip, sesame seeds, seaweed wrap, and the bamboo mat. And cling film, baby. Very important. You don't want rice all in your mat. Very important. You got your cabbage and your nice, cool, sorted rice. See it there? See how it's easy to mold? You can make nigiri and all them things with this, blood. Just me. Rolling it out, you need some water, a cloth to wipe your hands on. Now, we're going to wrap this in cling film. It stops it sticking. It stops it going weird. You're going to make sushi 3 times a week. You don't want all weird stuff in your mat. So wrap it in cling film. Pierce some holes in there just to let the air escape. And let the bamboo mat roll around the sushi. Trust me, you'll see the pattern. You got your seaweed wraps. See it there? First thing we're going to do, make sure it's central on the back of the mat. Now, you just wet your hands, grab your rice. That stops the rice sticking to your hands. Stops you getting all matted with rice and your fillings. Trust me, it's a revelation. They've been doing this for thousands of years now. I'm showing you the pattern. You just want to make sure it's even. Leave yourself a bit at the top and bottom. Make yourself a well for your fillings. Get your fillings. And you're just going to place them in there like so. You see how we move? You see how we do? Flavor chasers rule, you know. Then you want to do tuck in. If you ever rolled a cigarette, you'll know all about the tuck. So you got to make sure you tuck it in. Watch and learn. Get it nice and tight. And just tuck it in. You know about the tuck in it, my G's. As soon as you feel that resistance, that's it done. Wipe down to your dirty pig. Next one, we're going to make a nice big one. Nice big thing. Same practice again. Yeah, man. See it there? Sushi is the one. Now, this is sick for like midweek meals, man. Like a little snack for work and that. It's sick. Cream cheese in there, nice little spread in your well. Avocado, this is a nice big one. You gotta admit, it was a sticky time for everybody. Allow me, man. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we finished the roll by adopting the tuck, the sushi tuck. The sushi tuck is all we need. Now, wipe down, we go again. Now, this is one without the seaweed wrapped in sesame seeds. It's great. This is where the cling film comes in really handy. You pack it down in the same technique and you make a well and you fill it. This one's with cabbage and all the other accoutrements. Avocado. Let's call this one the works roll. Avocado, peppers, carrots, cucumber, sweet chili. We're going to roll that up, get that nice and tight. Even tighter than the other ones. Just roll that up. Lovely jubbly. Sprinkle your sesame seeds on your board and then you just roll her in. Rolling, rolling, rolling. They see me rolling. Now it's time to slice. Dash that way. Eat it. You need a nice sharp knife and you just slice. Slice, baby. Organic. Lovely. So flavor station. So beautiful. So lovely. Now we have the big boy. Again, trim the edge, eat it, feed it to the dog, whatever you may please. Sharp knife, straight down the back, middle, back. Idiot boy. Straight down the middle, nice and sharp. No messing, baby. It's lovely. Homemade sushi, man. No more packets from the supermarket. You don't need it. Not now you got this. And then we plate. And look. I ain't saying I'm a sushi master, but I know for damn sure it's tasty, baby. I've been Flavor Master. This has been Flavor Station. Let's have a try. Look at that. He shoots, he scores, he eats vegetarian sushi on a Wednesday. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Thanks for watching, Flavor Chasers. Watch another video, man. I'd very much appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to. That'd be sick too. Love you. Bye.